Hi friends, welcome back to Best of Tech. In today's video, I'm going to review iPhone 12 mini. So let's get started. So let's start with the unboxing. We directly get the phone. There is no charger inside the box. We get a Lightning to Type-C cable and user manual and Apple stickers. Let's talk about design. This has a boxy square shaped design. The screen size is 5.1 inches. So this is how the bottom looks like. And let's talk about ports and buttons. It has a power button, a silent button and volume up down rocker, and we get a lightning port and speakers on the bottom. Let's talk about battery. It has a screen time of 3 to 4 hours and charges the phone in 1 to 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's talk about screen quality without sound. The screen quality is good. It has a Super AMOLED display, which Apple calls it Super Retina display. The colors are punchy. So it has an A14 Bionic chip, which is a beast in performance. It can handle heavy games like BGMI, Call of Duty, etc. So let's talk about sound quality. Now let's talk about camera quality. The left side photo is taken from 12MP camera of the iPhone itself, and the right side is 5x zoom, and the left side photo is 0.5x ultra wide, and the video is 4K 60fps. The quality of the video is great. So this has a 12MP camera and 12MP ultra wide. It has flashlight and microphone. Thank you so much for watching.